Good afternoon. Today we're testing the Mountfield MTF 108H SD. I think you'll all agree this is a lovely looking machine. Spotted the side chute, always a nice extra. A twin bladed deck with 108cm cutting blade. 7 height settings. Easy cleaning, just attach the hose pipe here. 432cc engine. This beauty's ideal for paddocks, large gardens, orchards. Turning radius of 65 centimeters. Well, we've certainly got the right garden for that. We'll show you around. There is plenty of obstacles. We'll do our best not to hit the sequoia. We just plied the nose up there, reversed back, and look how tight this has been cut. Look how nice and close we managed to get to this U. Boom. That's not bad at all. Let's take a look at this section here. That was very long, and there's still a lot of morning dew on this lawn. I think it's done a cracking job. Look at that. Sort of fair length. Hey, Barnes seems to be taking a unofficial break by the looks of things. Excuse me. Oh dear. Okay, let's look how we've got on, shall we? Probably a good opportunity to mention that I'm not sponsored by Mazport in any way, shape or form. Not sponsored by anyone. Free agent, Lone Ranger. I'm like the Mad Max equivalent in horticulture. I've got to say I'm very impressed. I haven't done any strimming yet whatsoever, just to give you an idea of how nice and tight that turning circle, how I can get right where you want it every time. It's been an absolute pleasure to use. It's a beautiful garden, lovely mower. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a really smashing day.